In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off JavaScript in the Google Chrome web browser. JavaScript is the technology that powers interactive features on most websites, things like menus, forms, media players, and dashboards. Turning it on ensures sites work as intended, while turning it off can improve privacy or help with troubleshooting when a page is misbehaving. I'll walk you through the exact path in Chrome so you can switch it on or off confidently, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu icon. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you control settings and tools. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's settings page in a new tab, and you'll see a sidebar on the left with different categories. If you don't see the sidebar, make your browser window a bit wider so the panel appears. In the left panel, click Privacy and Security. This is the section where Chrome groups controls related to safety, site permissions, and data. On the right, find and select Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome manages what websites are allowed to do, things like notifications, location access, cookies, and, in our case, JavaScript. Scroll down to the Content section and click JavaScript. Here you'll see the main toggle choices. To enable JavaScript for all sites, select Sites can use JavaScript. To disable it globally, choose. Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Your change applies immediately. There's no need to restart the browser. If you already have pages open, give them a quick refresh so they pick up the new setting. A quick note on what to expect. With JavaScript turned off, many websites will look broken or won't load interactive parts at all. If something stops working after you disable it, come back to this same JavaScript page and turn it back on. When it's on, sites will run interactive elements normally, which is the default and recommended setting for everyday browsing. If your browser looks slightly different, don't worry. Chrome updates can move labels around, but the path is the same idea. Menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, JavaScript. Also, if your Chrome is managed by an organization, you might see some options locked. In that case, you'll need to follow the available choices you see. And that's it. You now know exactly where to go to turn JavaScript on or off in Google Chrome. Refresh your tabs after changing the setting, and you'll be good to go.